Hey, hello everyone. Let's see some of the basic features that we need to understand in VS Code. Okay, I just opened my first JS file in VS Code. Now let's look at the panes available in VS Code. The first pane which is available is Explorer pane. The next one is search where we can search the code. The next one is source control where we can commit the code in Git or GitHub. And next one is run and debug. The next one is extensions where we can install the extensions whatever is required. Okay, and this is for accounts, and next one is for managing the settings. Okay, so after we created the file, we can notice that it is showing this icon JS means it is a JavaScript file. Okay, and also when you hover on the file, it will show us the location of the file so that we can easily find the location where the our created file is located. Okay, and one more useful features I want to denote is IntelliSense feature. Let's say when I want to write console.log, right? When I type con itself, it identifies and tell me like you can write these commands and all. Okay, this is something called a smart completion. You can see like after I type L, it's giving suggestion that you can type log and all other these methods. Right? This is something called smart completion or intelligence in Visual Studio. Okay, and next let's look at settings. Below, right, when you click on this manage icon and when you click on settings, we can see the settings. Okay, here we have two types of settings. One is user settings, that is global settings for Visual Studio, and another one is workspace settings, that is applicable only for this workspace. Okay, let's say in user settings under text editor we can see like or you can type commonly used. Yeah, here you can see the font size, font family, other settings we can see. Okay, let's say if I open features, yeah, click on debug, search, whatever settings you want to change related to VS Code, right, that is available under settings panel. Right, feel free to explore what are all the options available. Okay, another important feature that we need to know in VS Code is command palette. Okay, you can open command palette by pressing Ctrl+Shift+P in your keyboard. Otherwise, it will open command palette like this. Otherwise, in the top panel, click on View and click on Command Palette. Okay, this will open the command palette in Visual Studio Code. Here only we have a lot of commands which is available in Visual Code. We can use all the commands from here itself directly, or we can change it here itself. For example, I'm clicking on Clear Console. Okay, if you want to clear console, you can simply press. I mean, you can simply pass that command. Okay, I'm clicking Ctrl+Shift+P again. If you want to change themes, if you don't like the existing theme, and if you want to play, and if you want to change themes, just type themes and yeah, browse color themes in marketplace. It will list down all the color themes which is available in the marketplace for VS Code. You can see right the theme is changing one by one. So right which theme we want we can change. So command palette is a useful place to look at all the commands which is available, and we can use it for our usage. Right, you can change the language size, you can configure the recommended extensions and all. Okay, this is very useful place we need to understand. Okay, after command palette, I want to look at extensions. For that, first let's create a HTML file. Okay, let me open a browser and yeah, let's take some basic HTML example. I'm just copy pasting this HTML example. Okay, opening VS Code back, click on new file. Let's say test.html, and yeah, copy paste that and save. Now, when you right click on this HTML file, you don't have an option to uh, run run this HTML, if you click on run code, it will show the error code language not supported or defined. Okay, so even in order to execute this HTML, Microsoft has a very useful extension. Let's go to extensions and type live preview. It is taking some time. Yeah, live preview is an extension by Microsoft. This hosts a local server in your workspace. I mean, instead of opening the browser, we can see the output of extension in VS Code itself. Okay, click on install. Okay, this extension is enabled globally. Okay, now go back to Explorer. Now right click on the test file again. Now you can see the option show preview. Okay, if you click on that, your HTML is it's ran and it's shown in the browser. I mean, this is what the live server, live preview that is created by Microsoft. Okay, now if you change, yeah, my first test, my first HTML, you can change it immediately. You can see the output here. Looks good, right? Like that, there are a lot of extensions available, and yeah, you can explore one by one. I think we are good for today. Thanks for watching.